Hi, Namaste, welcome to the new video. I am Rohit Desai, co-founder of JB Experts. In this video, we are going to understand about one software that is going to help you to prepare your estimation, your quotations, your performer invoice, and even you can manage all your credits and debits. So this is all in one WhatsApp. The name is Zoho Invoices. So that is the first option, which is, again, this is why we are recommending is completely free. I don't want you to pay anything for this. This is going to be 100% free software, including your GST invoicing. So you can provide your GST invoice to even your domestic clients and manage all the records right here. Later stages, when you see your business growing, and then you can really go up with the payment model. So what I'll do is I'll just take a proxy name here, Rohit Desai. Okay, that's not the company name, but still I'll take that way. 388888656. That's the office number, and here info@gbexperts.com, and then let me take password. And I'll agree to the terms and conditions. I belong to the state of Karnataka. If you guys are in different state, please make sure you select Gujarat or Haryana or Himachal Pradesh, whatever the state you belong to. Just click on create free account. So you'll be receiving OTP message. Here you can just enter other details, what industry you're working in. So it depends on food service or financials or real estate. As we are all exporters, we can look towards saying that we are into agriculture, automotives, constructions or something like that. I'll take for the moment as agriculture. Does it make any difference? No, not really. This is just for their record. That doesn't going to affect anything. Even if you don't find your industry, that's absolutely fine. Let it go. Just select for a namesake, you can do anything there. And you need to make sure you are dealing in USDs, and if you are using this account as a USD account, then make sure you pick your locations apart from this so that you can use USDs here. How many, do you use anything? Right at the moment we are using Salesforce, but Salesforce is not here. That's fine. Okay. So are you a registered business? Yes, you are. Then you need to enter your GST number here right at the moment. I'll continue it without GST number because it's not going to change much. So I'll get it a stagnant kind of a setup. Okay. This is the dashboard. You can look towards updating your logo. You can change all your spreadsheet models. How do you want your invoicing? These are all the details. What I prefer is use this one, right? Okay. Then click and proceed. 99% of the payments are going to come online, or you can say UPI, because we are getting the payments on bank transfers, so we'll make it as cash payments. So we don't have NEFT details or online payment gateways where we can integrate and get the payments through Razorpay, Paytm, Stripe or PayPal. This is not really practically possible because these guys charges a commission which is of 2% or 3%. Then probabilities of getting those kind of a deals, the big money to coming to their account and reducing to 3% and getting the money to your bank account, not really viable. Get a shift transfer to your bank account directly. So we'll mark it as cash, and then we'll see what are the invoices that we require here. What are the service we are looking? We are looking for codes, we are looking for delivery channels, we are looking for timesheets, and we are looking for recurring invoices and credit note. Payment links is normally that is not what we are looking for, but still if you need, you can enroll for it. Create your first invoice. So here you can add up your customer. Add your customer. Is it like individual or business? In our cases, is going to be business. Is going to be like MS. So right at the moment, I'll take it as Praveen. Praveen is my client who is there in some other country. Okay. So Praveen Kumar. We'll take it that way. The company name is PR Imports, something like that. Okay. Just all the proxy name. This doesn't have anything related. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll say either it's Praveen Import or PR Imports. Okay. So I'll make it PR Imports, or else I'll make sure. Okay. Am I dealing in Indian currency? Currency account cannot be edited as multi-currency handles the unavailable in Zoho invoices. At the moment, they are not handling multi-currency system. If you need it, then you need to pay and upgrade it. But for the moment, you can use it this way. Or else at the time of enrolling, you can even pick some other countries' software. So that should be fine. Here, what we can do is we can say Praveen at jbexperts.com is his email ID. Phone number is not something that I'm looking for. Just go and save it. So here, this is the company name whom I'm going to raise the invoice. That's a 11, and I can add the product here. That I can say, okay, I'm exporting goods. We'll take it as TMT bars. Okay, again, you need to look at it like, what is it? Is it into metric tons? Do I get empty here? No. Or else we can take kgs. So any of the units, whatever suits your thing, you can do it. So I'll say it as 56. Yep. 56. TMT 550D, or we call it FE, right? Okay, FE. So we'll save it. This is the quantity. I'm going to export around 20,000. So that's a volume, and that's a price what I'm going to export the product for. So okay, what is the discount? There is no discounts, and if I want to add the taxes, I need to be sure that if GST will be applicable here, normally if you enter your GST number, or else there is no GST option is visible. Or else you need to mention what is the tariff, the duty that we are going to charge them, or the taxes that we are going to use. So based on this is one of the software that you can use it for it. And you can apply your terms and conditions here. You can provide your integrations, your terms and conditions, your custom notes, your banking details with the shift code. And you can also add if you receive the payments through the payment gateway. If that's required, then yeah, save and send, and then we'll mark it as sent. We can close this, and we can download the PDF copy. This right here. Yep. This is the invoice, but here you will get a logo and all of it. It can look better. This all carries all the information what is needed. So you will be having packaging informations. You have other details information. These are all something that you can take it from here. So at the moment, if you want to prepare quotes, you can do this. Look at here, you prepare a quote, you send it to the client. If he accepts it, it will convert to invoice. If he rejects it, then it will be dumped. So that's how simple it is. You can prepare the delivery channel. Again, delivery channel is again here. Goods accepted, mark delivered, not received, mark rejected, and get the products back. Right? These are all the systems. Payment receivables, recurring invoices if you need it, credit notes, expenses. So for example, if I prepare an invoice today, so I should get, okay, where's the invoice? Yep. Mark as sent, and payment record. So at the moment there is a balance payment. So if you can see and go to home, you can see there is a transactions and there is a total balance, and the amount which has to be settled is 11,20,000. That's a pending balance that will be visible, so that you know what is the amount has been received. This is going to be in green. Okay, what I'll do is I'll go to invoice and I'll settle a payment, record payment, not the full amount. I'll make it just 50,000 as a received. Okay, 5 lakhs has been received. Okay, record payment. Okay, now if you go home and check, there is a green thing which is like, okay, 5 lakhs out of the full payment I have received. There is some more balance payment. Okay, so these are all something that you can check from this dashboard. This is completely free to use, and you can manage it each and everything. And even later stages, if you do it, okay, right at the moment I don't want to pay any software the money, even if I want to do a USD billing. In that case, what you can do is you can just do the calculation as per the standard transactions, and later once you have this PDF file, you can go and edit the PDF file into dollar symbol. That's all what you need to change. So once you are done, you're pretty good enough to use the same tool, same technology without paying anything. You can still send off the details. But make sure you enter all your GST details and all of it. Then yeah, you'll be able to send it across. Here then comes advanced billing. If you want this, then yeah, you will have unlimited currencies, unlimited inputs. If you want to take that, you can try Zoho billing. That is the premium options what you have, and that will take each and everything synced, and then you can do a lot of stuff there. Here comes with the 14 days of trial period. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, go and check. If it's a big money for you, then yeah, do not subscribe to it. If it's not a big money, then yeah, you can really go for it. Whatever the plan it suits you. See the features. So the first thing what we are looking at is enabling multi-currency, multi-language transactions, and multi-currency is something that we are looking at. Yeah, record multi-currencies records or transactions. If you pay this per month, so approximately if you buy this for annual, it's a 1249 into 12. That's nothing but 14,000 bucks. There is other options. What you can do is you can use Odoo, ODOO. This is again one of the good CRM, and it has multiple things. Here invoices also option is available. Where is it? Invoicing, accounting. Yeah. In accounting, you will get invoicing, you will be able to do each and every aspect of that what is being doing. But again, the prices of this is also not less, but not so much as an individual tool. You'll get Odoo at somewhere around 12,000 cost all at month. Okay, it's 580 into 12. So nothing but around 6,000, 7,000 or plus GST if you take it. But if you want to handle it on a custom basis, so it's going to be 890 into 12. So it's around 10,600 plus GST that could be costing you 12,600. Again, GST is something that you can take it as a input. So it will be not a problem. Again, if you want to go for monthly, that's going to be 1140. If you go on monthly basis, 1140 into 12. So that's around 13,680 plus GST. So that comes to 16,000. So you will reduce 4-5,000 as a cost if you go on a yearly plan. But I don't say recommend you to go yearly at the first. Go for a monthly subscription, either this or this. Try it out, and even then later, if it makes sense, go for it. Or else, if you are using one app, I'm just going to use this Odoo app is only for my accounting. Then please go and use it, because this is going to be unlimited user at for one app. It's completely free. You can go and start using for 0 rupees. Even this works well for you. But I don't say they are not so robust as Salesforce or any other tools. But okay, you can manage it. Zoho CRM or Zoho One or any other CRMs if you mention. Even what we are using is a Salesforce. That's too expensive for newbies. So I don't recommend to you that. But yeah, Odoo and Zoho is something like pretty good models what you can look at. Zoho is good as you can use it for domestic and as well. But if you want to record all the transactions, if you don't want to do this minute tweaking at the last, then it's better you go with the full model and just go ahead with purchasing a professional license so that it works well for you. In the other case, what you can do is it's better you go with Odoo kind of a tools where you get all apps all together. It's not like like you don't need to pay for every single tool. You can take all together and see if that works. But again, it's too clumsy, it's too unorganized. So it's something like you need to put a lot of effort and energy to it. You need to hire people to set it up and all of it. So if that's really needed, then go for it. Or else really I don't see that there is a need of it. Then you can let it go. Okay. Yeah. And the good part here is they also have the CRM. Yeah. There's a CRM here. Even you can record all your buyers details, your leads, your track, your sales tracks, everything you can manage it at one place. Yeah. In that case, if you're using all of these tools in one single dashboard, it makes sense for you. Please go ahead and enroll for this tool. It works well. Not only this, there are a lot of a number of tools that are available. So you can use HubSpot, you can use Salesforce, you can use again Zogi or some other brands are there. So a lot of tools are there. Zendesk, yeah. Even there are few Zen kind of a companies are there. So you can use any one of that and start working around with your softwares, whatever you need to build your professional software. Do not use your Excel sheet because there will be a manual errors that you can not rectify later. It's better you use such tools where everything is being synchronized and looks very professional, and you can share it across to the clients. So hopefully these tools will help you in your future. And even in Zoho, you have something called as Zoho One. Zoho. These are all the cost, okay? If you guys really looking for it, yeah, then go ahead and buy it out, or else it's going to be a cost. Yeah. Flexible is 3,100. All employees is around 1250. So these are all for the friendly business models, but you'll be able to access all the softwares, right? So if you're really looking for these kind of a tools, yeah, you can really get on the board and start using. And there are more fab than this. There are below or downgraded softwares also. See what is friendly for your pocket and what is your main purpose. Is it like invoicing or CRM or your sales activities? What is it? So based on that, deploy one of the softwares and start working on it. That should be good enough. I don't say that, okay, only by getting these softwares or these tools, your business will grow, but at least you'll be having a track. That's all what I'm saying. I don't say that, okay, if you write even today, if you see many of your invoices are not handwritten. These are all something like it's a computerized. So you don't need to do a manual errors. Even you can use Tally kind of a softwares to build your invoices. But these are all integrated one. It should be better where you can do automated email settings. You can send out emails. You can send out manage all your records. These are pretty good tools to use and start making your business work. And if you need any helps in this or setting up your accounts, you can get in touch with us. We have a complete digital team to support you in that. If you need anything such sort, please let us know, or else you can ask your questions in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet liked the video, please like it, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.